Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing something very different. We're actually taking you to one of my favorite places to shop, and it's actually the Disney Character Warehouse. And this is actually the one on iDrive. It's actually really cool because they have a little more things for adults versus just for kids. So sit back, relax, and let's take a really quick walk with us and check it out. Now, let's go. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.